Click on the link below to get price. The LECTRIC XP Lite 2.0 electric bike is an impressive blend of portability, power, and performance, making it a standout choice for urban commuters and recreational riders alike. Weighing in at just 50 pounds, this folding e-bike is remarkably lightweight, which is a significant advantage for those who need to carry it upstairs or store it in tight spaces. The folding mechanism is user-friendly and quick, allowing for easy storage in apartments or vehicles. Equipped with a 500W motor, the XP Lite 2.0 delivers ample power to tackle inclines and accelerate efficiently, making it suitable for various terrains. The bike's top speed of around 28 miles per hour is exhilarating, while the range of up to 40 miles per charge ensures that you can cover considerable distances without worrying about running out of battery. Additionally, the bike features a 7-speed transmission system, which provides versatility and control, allowing riders to adjust their pedaling effort based on their preferences and the terrain. Comfort is another key feature of the LECTRIC XP Lite 2.0. The adjustable seat and ergonomic handlebars allow for a customized riding experience that minimizes fatigue on longer rides. The inclusion of a front suspension system also enhances ride comfort, smoothing out bumps and providing a more enjoyable experience on uneven surfaces. Safety features such as front and rear lights, reflective tires, and a reliable braking system offer peace of mind when riding in low-light conditions or busy city streets. The bike's sturdy aluminum frame ensures durability, while the stylish design makes it visually appealing. In conclusion, the LECTRIC XP Lite 2.0 electric bike stands out as an excellent choice for anyone seeking a reliable, efficient, and stylish e-bike. Its combination of power, portability, and comfort makes it a fantastic investment for both commuting and leisure riding, providing exceptional value for its price.